Alright, now we're going to visit the crazy guy. Alright.
Hey dude, would you like a blizzard? No? Yeah? Would you like a blizzard?
They're good.
Blizzard? You want a blizzard? They're good, man.
Yeah.
It's good stuff. Now you got two. Yeah, now you got two blizzards.
Word, what's up, dude?
Awesome.
Hey, dude, do this.
Go like
Look
this,
at this.
man. Go like
Yeah,
this.
dude.
You gotta set one of your blizzards down though.
This is excellent.
Hey, do you know who Mr. Bean is?
You are the man, dude. Yeah.
Just go, yeah!
Yeah. Excellent. Yeah, dude, do a little dance. Yeah, dude. All right. Hey, have a nice day, man. It was nice meeting you.
You don't keep doing it.